everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are jumping into the tutorial, and I have already done my brows off camera, so I'm just showing you guys how I clean them with this foundation that I always use, which is my holy grail, just because it's not too matte, not too oily, but it is a good all-around foundation that I can use for anything, including cleaning my brows and setting my eyes for my eyeshadow. And as you will be able to tell throughout the video, my brows were playing me today, so if we can move past this, and I'm pretty sure we can be friends. So yeah, and we are going to use the Dare to Create palette with my Y15 Morphe brush, and we're taking this shade right here in 4-Hour Transition, and we're just gonna pack this shade on our eyeballs. Now we're taking the Morphe R39 and we're taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. We are taking those shades that I pointed out right there, and I am mostly focusing it on the outer part of the eye. I am focusing the shade Pukey, as you can see there. I just go back and forth, and whatever's left over in my brush, that's when I go into the inner part of the eye. Now I am taking my Morphe flat packer brush, and I'm going to be placing the foundation right there, looking up so I can know where to cut my crease at to where it's not gonna go all over the place. And I'm using the same foundation, same shade to do this, so you don't need anything special. After everything is set, I'm taking that Morphe R39 once again, taking a little bit of Pukey and mixing a little bit of the transition shade I used from the Morphe 39A, and I'm just blending out the harsh edge that you can see there. And I'm going to be taking the shade Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm placing this all over my lid.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone.
And at the beginning, I was just going to leave this look as it is, just blend out the part of the crease right there on the outer part. I was just going to blend that out like you see me doing here, pop on some lashes and get it going. But I was getting ready for an event, you could say, so I decided that this look needed to be a little more dark because it was getting pretty late at this point, so I just wanted to go ahead and go into full glam. So as you can see here, I'm deepening up the outer corner I am taking the shades Central Park and Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to be focusing that on the outer corner. This is going to take a couple minutes to blend out just because you don't want it to just be slapped on there. So I did take my time, so if it takes a little longer than the whole look that you just did, it's okay. We want to make sure that that black and brown is blended out seamlessly.
Under your spotlight.
I did do my concealer, my bronzing off camera just because I do it all the time, so it's getting a little redundant. I'm really doing the same steps here, but instead of using my beauty sponge, I am using my Morphe M439 foundation brush, and I'm just buffing everything into the skin. I am applying my highlight with my icing double-ended sided brush, and after I do this, the look is basically complete. I'm just going to be adding ColourPop lip gloss, which I will be linking in the description, and of course I am using my Dodo Lashes in the style D105, and you can also use this discount code on the screen for you so you can save some money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Te fuiste metiendo hasta el infinito. Púdrete, porque es el peor de los casos. Yo murmuré por ahí que busco de ti, que esto es un error. ¿En qué me puedes resolver con tu camisa puesta? Celos.
Whoa there, texture.